you. God bless you, my dear brothers and sisters in the Lord. God bless you. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you may be all over the world. I'm here again for us to speak the word of the Lord, to encourage each other again with the word of the Lord, in order for us to be strong in whatever we are passing through. God lay it in my heart to encourage us that whatever we are passing through, there is nothing God cannot do. He is too faithful to fail. He is the one that makes the way where there seems to be no way. Because the word of the Lord makes us to understand that there is nothing He cannot do. He said in His words, just as the rain comes from heaven to the earth, it falls to the ground. When it falls to the ground, it never goes back to the heaven. It remains. So His word concerning our life. If God has promised you anything in this life, believe that He's able to make it to pass. Believe that He's able to bring it to pass. He is the one that makes a way where there seems to be no way. He makes a way where there seems to be no way. There is nothing He cannot do. If God have promised you in any way, and you are still there, you are out there believing in God, asking, when is this promise of God going to come to pass in my life? I'm here to tell you that indeed it will surely come to pass in your life. It will surely come to pass. It might take time. It might look as if it's not forthcoming. It will come. It will not tarry. At the appointed time, according to the book of Habakkuk, it will come to pass at the appointed time. So I'm here to encourage you. Hold on. Do not look at those around you. Do not look at your friend that seems to be making it, that it looks as if you are just there. There is nothing working in your life. People that you started with together, they are ahead of you. You don't know what to do. Stand firm. If you did not look back, at the right time, God will make it to come to pass in your life. Because in the book of Ecclesiastes, make us to understand that there is a time for everything. A time to be born, a time to cry, and a time to weep. A time to be happy, a time to be rejoicing. So whatever time you are right now, difficulty, trials on your way, around you, seems to tie you down. You don't know what to do. My dear brothers and sisters, hold on to the Lord. He is able to bring it to pass what He has said. He is able and able to bring it to pass whatever he said to you. Maybe He has spoken to you through dreams. He has spoken to you through prophets. He speaks to you through vision. He will bring it to pass. He is the God that can make a way where there seems to be no way. If He did not fail Abraham, He will not fail you. If He did not fail Joseph, He will never fail you. He's able to bring it to pass. After all Joseph went through, at the end of it, the glory at last came. The same way I'm telling you, encouraging you. I don't know whosoever that is on the sick bed right now, whosoever that think that the life is going. There is nothing again in this world. I have been on this sick bed for the past how many years? It seems nothing is working. Despite the prayer, despite the treatments, God will do it. He will bring it to pass at the right time. He will bring it to pass at the right time. He will bring it to pass at the right time. He will bring it to pass at the right time. He will make a way where there seems to be no way. He will make a way where there seems to be no way. I have seen him. I have seen his hand in my life. If he did not forsake me, he will not forsake you. If you not disappoint me, he will not disappoint you. The only thing you have to do is for you to give your life to him. Give your life to him, no matter what, no matter the pain, no matter the difficulty, no matter the trial. Maybe it's poverty that have visited you. Just give your life to Christ. Give your life to Jesus. There is nothing he cannot do. He will make it to pass. That money that you are looking for will make it to pass. He will bring it your way at the right time. Do not look at those friends that seems you don't know what's happened. All of a sudden you just find that they have money. Things are working for them. Did you know where they go to? Do not look at those people that will tell you, let us go to this Babalawo. This is the Babalawo that did it for me last time. He will do it for you. See, Satan will never help you. Satan will take €1 from you. You give him €1, he will collect €10 from you. Who is that I am speaking to? Have faith. Have faith. He said in his word, in the book of Peter 5, verse 10. Let us read it. The 5, verse 10. He said in his word, the book of 1 Peter 5, verse 10. He said, but the God of